जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपीजना वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजना वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यशोदनंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यमुना तेरा वनचारी यमुना तेरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपीजना वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय प्रभुपदा प्रभुपदा श्रील प्रभुपदा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा हरे नाम संकीर्तन नमो सब की जय बलदेव स्वामी श्री पद्म महाराज की जय Nitya Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bo. So today we'll be taking text 32 onwards from second chapter of second canto of Srimad Bhagavatam entitled Lord in the Heart. Yete sriti te nirpaveda gite tvayabhiprishthe cha sanatane cha ye pura brahmana tushta आराधितो भगवान् वासुदेवः एते श्रुतिते निर्पभेदगीते त्वयाभिपृष्टे च सनातने च ये वै पुरा ब्रह्मणा तुष्ट आराधितो भगवान् वासुदेवः एते श्रुतिते निर्पभेदगीते त्वयाभिपृष्टे च सनातने च ये वै पुरा ब्रह्मणा तुष्ट आराधितो भगवान वासुदेवः. वर्ड मीनिंग, ये सब जिनका वर्णन किया गया श्रुति मार्ग ते तुम तक निरपह, हे राजा परीक्षित, वेद गीते वेदों के कथानुसार त्वया तुम्हारे द्वारा अभिपृष्टे ठीक से पूछे जाने पर च भी सनातने नित्य सत्य के मामले में च सचमुच ये जो वै निश्चय ही पूरा पहले ब्रह्मणे ब्रह्मा जी से आह कहा तुष्ट संतुष्ट होकर आराधित पूजित होकर भगवान वासुदेव भगवान कृष्ण ने. ट्रांसलेशन परपोर्ट बाय डिवाइन ग्रेस भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिल प्रभुपाद. हे महाराजा परीक्षित, आप इतना जान लें कि मैंने आपकी समुचित जिज्ञासा के प्रति जो भी वर्णन किया है वह वेदों के कथनानुसार है और वही नित्य सत्य है. इसमें साक्षात भगवान कृष्ण ने ब्रह्मा से कहा था, क्योंकि वे ब्रह्मा द्वारा समुचित रूप से पूजे जाने पर उनसे प्रसन्न थे. परपोर्ट, पर व्योम तक पहुँचने और फिर समस्त भौतिक बंधन से मोक्ष पाने के दो भिन्न भिन्न मार्ग हैं. या तो भगवत धाम पहुँचने का सीधा मार्ग सदयुक्ति, या अन्य उच्चतर लोकों से होकर धीरे धीरे पहुँचने की कर्मयुति. ये वेदों के कथनानुसार यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत किए गए हैं. इस प्रसंग में वैदिक कथन इस प्रकार है, यदा सर्वे परमुच्यते कामा येष्य हृदि श्रिताः अतः मृत्यो भवत्य ब्रह्म संसुनते. बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 4.4.7. तथा ये चिराभिसंभवन्ति बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 6.2.15. जो हृदय रोग तुल्य समस्त भौतिक इच्छाओं से युक्त हैं, वे मृत्यु को जीतने में समर्थ हैं और अर्चलोक से होकर भगवत धाम में प्रवेश करते हैं. ये वैदिक कथन श्रीमद् भागवतम के कथन का समर्थन करने वाले हैं और इनकी पुष्टि सुखदेव गोस्वामी द्वारा की जा रही है, जो जोर देकर यह कहते हैं कि इस सत्य का उद्घाटन वसुदेव भगवान कृष्ण ने वेदों के प्रथम प्राणी ब्रह्मा जी से किया. शिष्य परंपरा के अनुसार सर्वप्रथम भगवान कृष्ण ने ब्रह्मा को वेद सुनाया, ब्रह्मा जी ने नारद को और नारद ने व्यास देव को, तब व्यास ने सुखदेव गोस्वामी को यही ज्ञान दिया और इस प्रकार आगे चलता रहा. इस तरह इन समस्त प्राधिकृत पुरुषों के कथनों में कोई अंतर नहीं है, क्योंकि सत्य नित्य है. अतएव सत्य के विषय में कोई नवीन मत नहीं हो सकता. वेदों में निहित ज्ञान को जानने का यही साधन है. इसे न तो प्रकांड पांडित्य द्वारा समझा जा सकता है, न ही संसारी पंडितों के फैशन प्रस्त व्याख्याओं द्वारा. इसमें न कुछ जोड़ने को है न घटाने को, क्योंकि सत्य तो सत्य है, किंतु अंततः किसी न किसी प्रमाण को स्वीकार करना होता है। आधुनिक विज्ञान भी कतिपय वैज्ञानिक सत्यों के लिए सामान्य व्यक्तियों के हेतु प्रमाण तुल्य है। सामान्य व्यक्ति विज्ञानी के कथन का पालन करता है। इसका अर्थ यह हुआ कि सामान्य व्यक्ति प्रमाण का अनुगमन करता है। वैदिक ज्ञान भी इसी रीति से प्राप्त किया गया है। सामान्य व्यक्ति यह तर्क नहीं कर सकता कि आकाश या ब्रह्मांड के परे क्या है। उसे चाहिए कि वह वेदों के कथनों को उसी तरह स्वीकार करे जिस तरह से प्रामाणिक शिष्य परंपरा द्वारा स्वीकृत किए जाते हैं। भगवद गीता में भी चतुर्थ अध्याय में गीता को समझाने की यही विधि बताई गई है। यदि कोई आचार्यों के प्रामाणिक कथन को नहीं मानता तो वेदों में वर्णित सत्य की उसकी खोज व्यर्थ रहेगी। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जन शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकथा मह्यं ददाति सुपदन्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं श्रीतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवां च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादां सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां च हे कृष्णकरुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यः च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तो प्रभुपाद की अनुकंपा से, गुरुजनों के आशीर्वाद से, आप लोगों के सौजन्य से श्रीमद् भागवतम की अविरल धारा नित्य बह रही है। आज हम सुने एते श्रुते निर्भवेद गीते त्वयाभिपृष्टे सनातने च ये वे पुरा ब्रह्मणा तुष्ट आराधितो भगवान वसुदेवः। तो परीक्षित महाराज को आज कह रहे हैं कि जो भी मैंने तुम्हें सुनाया है ये वेदों का सार है। वेदेश एवं अहमेव वेद्यो 15:15 भगवान कहते हैं वेदों में मुझे ही जाना जाता है। लेकिन आजकल के जो वेद पाठी हैं, चाहे एक वेदी हों, द्विवेदी हों, त्रिवेदी हों, चतुर्वेदी हों या मिश्र लोग हों, वो वेदों में जो फलश्रुति दी जाती है उस फलश्रुति में फंस जाते हैं। वेदों में फलश्रुति है, ये करके ये होगा, ये करके ये होगा, ये करके ये होगा, ये करके ये होगा, ये करके ये होगा। और फिर आखिर में कहा गया अगर तुम कृष्ण को भजोगे तो तुम्हें सब कुछ मिलेगा बिना किए हुए, तब करने की जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन वहाँ तक ये वेद पाठी लोग पहुँच नहीं पाते हैं। और यहाँ तक कि हजारों वेद पाठी ऐसे हैं जो कृष्ण को भी भगवान नहीं मानते हैं। बहुत सारे वेद पाठी भगवान को 24वां 10 अवतार में एक अवतार मानते हैं, लेकिन उनको मालूम नहीं कि ये वेद भगवान के द्वारा दिए गए हैं। तेने ब्रह्म हृदय आदि कविये। सबसे पहले इनका पदारोपण ब्रह्मा जी के हृदय में किया। ब्रह्मा जी ने नारद को दिया, नारद जी ने व्यास को दिया, व्यास ने सुखदेव को दिया, और इस प्रकार होते हुए प्रभुपाद के द्वारा ये चीज हम तक भी पहुंची है। जिज्ञासा क्या थी? परीक्षित महाराज की जिज्ञासा थी जो मरणासन व्यक्ति हो उसको क्या करना चाहिए, क्या सुनना चाहिए। तो उत्तर क्या मिला? भगवान कृष्ण के बारे में सुनना है और भगवान कृष्ण के बारे में समझना है। यही मूल तत्व है, इससे आगे और कुछ भी नहीं। और इसी के द्वारा हम अपने बंधन से मुक्त हो सकते हैं। वरना बंधन से मुक्त होना इतना आसान नहीं है। हम बंधन से तब मुक्त हो सकते हैं जब कोई हमको हमारे बंधनों से छुड़ाए। जो आदमी खुद बंधन में हो वो अपने बंधन को नहीं काट सकता है, दूसरे की मदद चाहिए। और उसके लिए शिक्षा गुरु, दीक्षा गुरु, गुरु परंपरा के द्वारा वो आदमी अपने बंधनों से मुक्त हो सकता है। ये हमारी अपनी इतनी शक्ति नहीं है, इतना हमारे अंदर कठोर बल नहीं है कि हम अपने आप ही इस भवसागर को पार कर जाएं, भवसागर से तर जाएं। बड़ा मुश्किल है। तो प्रभुपाद ने कहा एक सद्य युक्ति मार्ग है, एक कर्म युक्ति मार्ग है। एक भगवान को पाने का सीधा तरीका भक्ति योग के द्वारा या फिर कर्म योग के द्वारा। लोके अस्मिन् दुविधा निष्ठा प्रोक्तो मया नघ ज्ञान योगेन सांख्यानां कर्म योगेन योगिनां। ये अर्जुन, दो चीजें हैं भक्त लोग मुझे पहचान सकते हैं। ज्ञान योगेन, या तो ज्ञान योग के द्वारा, शास्त्रों के अध्ययन के द्वारा। ज्ञान योगे ना या भक्ति योग है ना, यह भक्ति के द्वारा। पहचाना जा सकता है, भगवान को हम जान सकते हैं, लेकिन क्या भगवान को जानेंगे? इसके लिए शुद्ध भक्ति ही करनी चाहिए और करनी पड़ेगी। नहीं तो हम जो नित्यबद्ध लोग हैं, हम इसमें फंस करके रह जाएंगे। कल हम बताना भूल गए, नित्यबद्ध जो है जीवन मुक्त हो सकता है, हमें जीवन की मुक्ति से छुटकारा मिल सकता है। लेकिन अगर हम कहीं भी हिल डुल जाएं, कोई गलती हम कर जाएं, तो फिर वापस हमें जो है इसी मृत्यु संसार में, इसी यानी ब्रह्मांड में आकर के फिर वही 84 लाखों का चक्कर चलाना पड़ेगा। तो सत्यम क्या है? श्रीमद् भागवतम, जैसे हम कल कह रहे थे, हमारी सत्यम भागवतम भी शुरू होती है सत्यम परम धीमहि। सॉरी, आज को तबीयत ठीक नहीं है मेरी, अनइजीनेस। तो सत्यम परम धीमहि, सत्य की खोज करो, सत्य में समय को निवेश करो। और सत्य की खोज हमें कौन बताएगा? जब हम किसी प्रमाणिक गुरु के पास जाएंगे, वही तो बताएगा। नहीं तो हमको क्या मालूम सत्य क्या है? इस दीवार के पीछे क्या है, जब तक हम देखेंगे नहीं, हमें क्या पता चलेगा? अगर कोई बता दे तो कि दीवार के पीछे सड़क है, हाँ तो सड़क है। तो किसी भी प्रकार से हमें जो है शरण लेनी पड़ेगी माता पिता गुरु देवता। इनिशियली माता पिता, फिर गुरु, फिर देवता। देवताओं की क्यों? देवता भी हमारे को सहयोग देंगे, भगवान तक पहुंचने का हमें जो है सहयोग करेंगे। लेकिन किसी तर्क के द्वारा सत्य को पाना, सत्य को समझना और सत्य पे टिकना, ये बड़ा मुश्किल है। तर्को प्रतिष्ठो श्रुतियो विभिन्ना नैको ऋषयस्य प्रमाणम महाजनो एन गत सपंथाः। तर्को प्रतिष्ठो, हजारों किस्म तर्क हैं। वन लॉजिक कैन बी डिफीटेड बाय अनदर लॉजिक or logician, and in turn they can be defeated by. And one rishi does not have one pramana that this rishi says this is the final. लेकिन महाजनों एन गतः सपंथा है। जो महाजन जिस रास्ते पे चले हैं, अगर हम उस रास्ते को अपनाएं तो सदा ही हम बंधन से मुक्त होंगे। और महाजन क्या थे? भगवान कृष्ण के प्रिय, भगवान कृष्ण को जिन्होंने सर्व कुछ समर्पण कर दिया, अर्पण कर दिया। और इस प्रकार हम प्रमाणिक शिष्य परंपरा के द्वारा भगवान को समझ सकते हैं, भगवान में अपनी श्रद्धा लगा सकते हैं। तो Actually, I'm not feeling well, so I'll stop here. And if any one of you want to say something on this or directly want to go for reading Srila Prabhupada, I leave it to you. Sorry about it, I'm finishing 2-3 minutes before. Hare Krishna. आ जाओ आ जाओ जल्दी आओ. अरे नहीं ना, तुम इधर आओ पहले, इधर आओ पहले, ये पढ़ लो. So, should we start? Prabhupada Leela Mirta? Yeah, okay, from here.
Yes, Prabhu. Okay.
From.
Sarvanda Mataji, can you start?
Yeah. I'm here.
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. At Prayaga, at Prayaga pharmacy, doctor was would diagnose patient and give medical prescriptions which Abhay would fill. Dr. Ghosh would then receive 25% percent is 25% commission from the sale of the prescriptions. Abhay and Dr. Ghosh became friends. They would visit at each other's home and they treated each other's children like their own family members. Often they discussed their aspiration for increasing profits. Dr. Ghosh Abhay was a business-minded man. We were all God-fearing of course, in every home we have a small temple and we must have deities, but he used to always talk about business and how to meet family expenses. Although at home Abhay wore kurta and dhoti. Sometimes for business he would dress in shirt and pants. He was a good-looking, full mustached, energetic young man in his late 20s. He and Radharani now had 2 children. A daughter was born after they had been in Allahabad 1 year. Gauramohan, who was now 75, had come to live with him, as had Abhaya's widowed sister Rajeshwari and her son Tulsi. Gauramohan mostly stayed at home, chanted on his beads and worshipped the Saligrama Sila deities of Krishna. He was satisfied that Abhaya was doing right and Abhaya was satisfied to have his father living comfortably with him and freely worshipping Krishna. Abhaya led a busy life. He was intent on building his business by 800, 8 a.m. He would go to his pharmacy where he would meet Dr. Ghosh and being his day's work. At noon, he would come home and then he would return to the pharmacy in the late afternoon. He had purchased a large,
Buick.
large
Buick.
Huh?
Buick.
Large Duke for 8,000 rupees, and although he never draw it himself, he let his nephew, a good driver, use it for his taxi business. Occasionally, Abhay would use the car on his own business excursion, and his nephew would then act as his
Chauffeur.
chauffeur. It so happened that both Motilal Nehru and his son Jawaharlal were customers at Prayag Pharmacy, because Jawaharlal would always order Western medicine. Abhay thought he must have felt that Indian ways were inferior once Jawaharlal approached Abhaya for a political contribution, and Abhaya donated being a consequence merchant. During the day, Abhaya would talk with his customers and other friends who would stop by, and they would tell him many things. A former military officer used to tell Abhay stories of World War
One.
World War One. He told how Marshal Foch in France had one day ordered the killing of thousands of Belgian refugees whose maintenance had become a burden to him on the battlefield. Muhammadan gentleman, a member of a royal family in Afghanistan, would come daily with his son to sit and chat. Abhay would listen to his visitors and converse pleasantly and make up their prescriptions, but his thoughts kept returning to his meeting with Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. He went over it again and again in his mind, how he had looked his mannerism, what he had said. Hare Krishna.
Prabhu will continue.
No, Pradeep, I'm not just well today.
Huh?
I'm not well.
Sucharu Prabhu? Vidula Mataji?
Prabhuji, we are in third chapter, Prabhu.
Yeah. You put in the gas up?
Yes, Prabhu.
You could stop and
So,
gas up.
today also we were reading Prabhu for the sixth program, no, Prabhu. That's why confused.
Third chapter.
At night. From at night.
Little at night, I would go home. Try to find out.
At night, Abhaya would go.
Okay, until she find out, I will start. At night, Abhaya would go home to his wife and children. Radharani was a chaste and faithful wife who spent her days cooking, cleaning, caring for her two children. But she was not inclined to share her husband's interest in things spiritual. He could not convey to her his feelings about Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. You got it? Got it now?
Abhaya
Prabhu, I
his
am
wife.
searching.
Mataji, Abhaya his wife.
Then I will read. Abhaya,
His wife.
his wife with two children, Gaur Mohan, Abhaya's younger brother, Krishna Charan, Abhaya's widowed sister, Rajeshwari, and her son, Tulsi Das, all went together to an Allahabad studio for a family portrait. The photo showed Abhaya in his late 20s. He is thin and dark, with full moustache. His forehead is broad, his eyes dark and clear. He wears a white kurta and dhoti and plain dark slippers. He sits in a chair. His wife is standing behind him. An attractive young woman in a white khadi sari with a line of color on the border. Her slim arm rests behind Abhaya's head on the back of the chair. Her small hand gripping the edge of the chair. Her left hand hung by her side, gripping in fist. She is barefoot. With his left hand, Abhaya studies the 2-year-old Pancha Prayagraj, a glaring infant on his lap. The boy seems to scream, his baby legs and bare feet dangling on his mother's knee. Abhaya seems to be bit amused by the son on his lap. Abhaya is a handsome Indian man, his wife an attractive woman, both young. Also behind Abhaya stands his nephew Tulsi and his brother Krishna Charan. Sitting on the far right in Abhaya's sister Rajeshwari, dressed in a widow's white sari, holding
Sulak.
Sulakshmana, Abhaya's daughter, on her lap. Sulakshmana is also screaming, her foot jutting toward the photographer. In the center sits Gaur Mohan. His face is
Sri.
severed and his whole body is emaciated with age. He is also wearing a white kurta and dhoti. His hand seems to be moving actively on his lap, perhaps with palsy. He is short, small and old. Hare Krishna.
Can I read, Prabhuji?
You got it, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, continue. Avoid travel frequently.
Abhay traveled frequently throughout Northern India, intent on expanding his sales. It was not unusual for him to be gone a few days in a week, and sometimes a week or more at a time, as he traveled from one city to another. The pharmaceutical industry was just beginning in India, and doctors, hospitals, and pharmacies were eager to buy from the competent, gentlemanly agent who called on them from Bose Laboratory of Calcutta. He would travel by train and stay in hotels. He liked the feelings of freedom from home that traveling afforded, but the real drive was servicing accounts and getting rewards. That was his business. Riding in a third-class unreserved compartment was often uncomfortable. The only seats were benches which were often dirty, and passengers were permitted to crowd on without reservations. But that is how Abhay traveled hundreds of miles every week. As the train moved between towns, he would see the numberless small villages and hear the cries of the tea-vendors as they walk alongside the train windows. Chai, chai, tea. The British had introduced it, and now millions of Indians were convinced that they could not get through the morning without their little glass of hot tea. As a strict Vaishnava, Abhay never touched it, but his wife, much of his displeasure, was becoming a regular tea drinker. Although Abhay was accustomed to dressing as a European businessman, he never compromised his strict Vaishnava principle. Most of his fellow Bengalis had taken up peace eating, but Abhay was always careful to avoid non-Vaishnava foods, even at hotels. Once at a vegetarian hotel, the Empire Hindu Hotel in Bombay, he was served onion fish, and sometimes hotel people tried to serve him mushrooms, garlic, and even eggs. But all of these he carefully avoided, keeping a small semblance of his home routine. He would take his bath early in the morning with cold water. He followed this routine year round, and when in Saharan heat, it so during the bitter cold weather, the hotel people was greatly surprised. Right, Shravani?
Hare Krishna. Avoid converse with many people in his travels. A doctor in Dhaka told him that on his way to the office he had passed a farmer talking to a friend and could tell by the sound of the farmer's cough that the farmer would die within a few months. Another doctor told Baba that he had just come from seeing a pneumonia patient who was defying nature and medical science by continuing his. He met a Mohammedan doctor in Gaya who lamented that he had just lost a patient, although he had given the man the very best treatment. Such accounts from men of the medical profession confirm Avay's conviction that without God's center, no one could be saved. Not that he ever thought of his medical self as philanthropic or he Siddhanta Saraswati had already convinced him that the only way to save a person was by giving him
Ready?
service. Avay's medical products were strictly forbidden. On business trip, it was in 1920. He traveled to Agra, only 40 miles south of Vrindavan. Taking the opportunity, he made his first visit to Holy Vrindavan, fulfilling his childhood aspiration. He loved the sight of Vrindavan, but he could spend only a day or two, even a single day, away from his cells or could be free. As a reverend pilgrim, Baba visited a few temples, especially the principal temples established by the followers of Lord Chaitanya, but he had there are also risks in traveling. Once he was sitting in a train compartment in Mathura station when a monkey suddenly entered and took away his belongings. Early in the morning before dawn, while he was on his way to Kanpur in a two-wheeled horse carriage, the horse was going at a fast trot when suddenly he hit a large heap of rubbish in the middle of the road. The carriage turned upside down, fast driver and carriage all landed in a heap, and Hawaii was thrown into the pit. But he landed unharmed, feeling as though he had just changed to another seat. Because Hawaii's head guards said nothing, the driver thought he had been knocked unconscious and became anxious. The passenger was all right, however, and the driver considered it a miracle since the car had so violently rejected him. Hawaii took it that he had been saved by Krishna, and he remembered similar incidents, starting with his childhood when his clothing had caught on fire. Krishna had always protected him. So, I'll conclude here today. Two more lines. For 5 years Prabhu, shall we continue or
We'll stop it, Bharmaji, because we don't have a congregation now.
We can finish second Prabhu, only 2 paragraphs are there.
okay, then I will read on one paragraph. Srila Prabhupada, when my son was about 2 years old, he was very naughty, always doing some mischiefs. My friends used to visit me and call my son Bacha. Bacha, if you sit down for 1 minute silently, I will give you a gift. But the boy failed. He could not sit down even for a minute. There was a table hand and Bacha was wanting to touch it. I said, no, don't touch. But again he tried to touch it. So my friend said, just lower his speed and let him touch it. So I unplugged the fan and then he touched it. It did not harm him, but he hit his finger with a loud noise. Tongue, and then he would not toss again. I would ask him, toss again, but he wouldn't. Hare Krishna. Mataji?
As soon as his daughter Lakshamana could speak, he began teaching her the Bengali translation of the prayer Guru Astakam, which begins, the spiritual master is receiving benediction from the ocean of mercy, just as a cloud pours water on a forest fire to extinguish it. The spiritual master extinguishes the blazing fire of the forbidden Bandhante. Except for his obligatory travels, Abhaya stayed at home and satisfied his family. He tended diligently to his business and it prospered. Hare Krishna Prabhu. We can continue from tomorrow, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Okay, we keep it there. Thank you, Hare Krishna. We'll chant 3 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna,
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Rama
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna Hare
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 Rama.
Ram,
Pancham.
Hare Ram.